Ephesians in the 5th chapter, and in Ephesians in 4 and 13, and we'll end up in 1 Peter 3 and 7. Praise the Lord. Reading from Ephesians 5 and 22, it starts off with a song of things. It says, "Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husband, as unto the Lord. For the husband is the head of the wife, even as Christ is the head of the church, and he is the Savior of the body. Therefore, as the church is subject unto Christ, so let the wives be subject to their own husband in everything."
Yes.
Now we want to read that a little bit before that. In the 20th verse it says, "Give thanks always for all things unto God and the Father, in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Submit yourselves one to another in the fear of God."
All right.
Praise the Lord. I want to talk about the unity of the family structure.
All right now.
Praise the Lord. Well, Heavenly Father, we thank you for your loving kindness and your tender mercy. Thank you for your outstretched hand. Lord, touch God. Hallelujah.
Yes.
Crown right here to the sole of our feet. Speak through the lips of clay, mere man. And Lord, thou have the words of eternal life. Speak, my God. Hallelujah. That men and women might live today, Lord. Speak to the confused mind, Lord. And bind them back together with peace. Speak to the brokenhearted and bind them back together with love. Speak to the feeble knees that they might stand and stand therefore in the evil day. Save the unsaved and bring back the backslider. Encourage your saints for Christ's sake. We do pray. Amen. Amen. And we're living in the United States, and we know how Thanksgiving is. And
Yes.
it was a festival given, back from the Pilgrim times. So they had toiled all summer and all through the spring to bring in the crops.
Yes.
That they would have enough to survive the winter.
Yes.
And you find out that the winter was harsh. And,
Yes.
and you wasn't growing anything when it was snowing. And
Yes.
so these things, so we understood what it meant to harvest in some things. And
Yes.
a family bond meant something then in harvest time. And so we're reading in the Ephesians where Paul writing to a church that is almost, I say, the way we are today.
All right now.
The Ephesians he addressed to a group of believers who are rich beyond measure. He speaks to them because the Ephesian church, they didn't live as paupers as Jesus, who went from place to place, and somebody said Jesus might have been a background. When he went, somebody took care of him, somebody took us. But only because they didn't understand that Jesus was rich in mercy and in grace.
Yes.
And so these are the things, so he speaks to the Ephesians folk who the city was very wealthy because they worshiped Diana. Which they said the image that fell down from Jupiter.
Yes.
Which they made, and they said that Diana was the god of love and whatever thing and prosperity. So they made these images. So when they came to Ephesus, they would figure they would worship. And everybody was in the worship of Diana.
Yes.
Also in this worship, there was always some prostitutes, either way it go, man or woman.
Yes.
So the city was full of sin.
Yes.
And somewhere along the line, the family structure was never strong.
All right now.
Family would, give their children over to the worship and honoring of Diana. And
Yes.
didn't have a family unit as they would. So when Peter writes to them in Asia Minor. First thing we know about anything about God, God don't put a wedge in the family. God brings the family together.
Yes.
So he speaks to them, and I know a lot of folks fuss about that. Oh, wives, submit yourself to your husband.
Yes.
Jesus, I know it. See, you gotta sometimes read some of these other translations. We read from the King James. Other one said, wives. It said, wives, submit. It said, honor your husband.
Yes.
And it said, then other one said, then he said, also he told the husband to honor the wife.
Yes.
Such as Christ, who loves the church.
Yes.
So love your wife, love her, honor your wife. Submit to them. So all of these things supposed to be a mutual bond. So everything, we understand what the word unity means oneness.
Yes.
Harmony. That's what family units are, harmony. And it said always in agreement. And we know family sometimes ain't always in agreement.
Yeah.
But that's what unity means. Unity also appeals to one as the time of when it was all together at one accord on the day of Pentecost.
Yes.
That's when the power of God fell, because they was all on one mind, calling on one thing, desiring one thing from God, and God sent the power on the day of Pentecost. So they was all on one accord in one place with one mind. So that's what unity did. There was harmony. The church was harmony. So he speaks to the Ephesians and all the different folk that's in the Ephesian church. Some Jews, mostly Gentiles. And he speaks to them that they need to be unified together. Though it's a bunch of diverse folks, and we know how it is now. Our families are pretty diverse now. People say ethnic wise, whatever it is ethnic wise, they're kind of diverse. And we have to bring our folks together on a common agreement that we are a family. We're unified with a goal to what? I think when he told Adam, he told him to be fruitful and multiply.
Yes, he did.
Also, we want to be also to multiply. Now, sometimes that means, I'll tell you, in numbers is good, but I'm told to be fruitful. It's the first part of it, be fruitful. In our own way, we're going to be fruitful in this world. We understand that our children need us. Oh, yes. Child got to know that they need you. And so this is a unity fight. So the fellowship, as he speaks to the church, because they in that little, how sometimes we get, some was in Ephesians, some was slaves, some was workers, some owned shops. And so all the diversity, even though this is a rich congregation in Ephesus, Paul speaks to them in the church of Asia, urging them to find the realness of God by unifying themselves together. One Lord, one faith, and one baptism, right? Then he speaks to them about the body and always talked about the one accord. And then he talked to them that there also is not only you physically rich, but you can be spiritually rich from God's heavenly bankroll. His bank account is good. If you want to be adopted into a rich folk, he said your adoption and heirs and joint heirs with Christ.